Hey guys, welcome to another EDC update. A few things changed from my last setup, so let's see what I carry every day. First, I got my wallet with the victorinox Swiss lite inside. I have the Sabre red pepper spray. I go back to carry this maxpedition keper. On the keeper, I carry my keys. What I changed here was the victorinox. I was carrying the victorinox classic, and now I carry this that it has a red LED flashlight, a pen, and bottle opener, screwdriver, knife, shears, a flathead screwdriver with a little file. So I'm still using the fenix with a lanyard made of a really thin climbing rope. I changed my pen for my Fisher space pen. Change the knife that I carry for this Kershaw OD-2. Really nice knife. Because it's almost summer here, I normally carry a pair of sunglasses. This happens to be rusty. What else? Oh, paracord bracelet. I'm still carrying this casio. One more thing. Last week I've been carrying these 3 items in this kind of leather organizer. Just put like this, and I throw this on my cargo pocket or my my right front pocket. Okay, I think that's pretty much it. So I don't know, guys. I hope you enjoy the rest of the weekend, and see you soon, guys. Take care.